Look who made it. Look who made it. So we finally got off the bus, but now the problem is because of the traffic, I was so late, I actually have to find her. This is gonna be tough. Oh. Wait, I think she might be here. Sad. There's so many people. What the hell? Thank you. I have no clue, like, which one is which. Thanks! You're welcome! I'm so out of it right now. Hey! Oh, wait, we got our drinks. I didn't get it. Oh, it's recording. It just recorded. We got our drinks. Cheers! Okay. It's important to do that. I was so. The people in the first airport. In the airport.
I can tell. You're always loud. The whole compressed opposite side of the airport, right? Yes. Or the concourse or whatever. I don't know where we need to go. And I rode a train and I think it's this. Oh. It's this. I thought that would be this. That's Braille, Michelle. I know, but this looks like a button. This doesn't. No, that looks like a button. You're in it. Still chewing like the second piece of chicken when everyone else is done.
Say hi. Hi. Okay, say bye. Bye. We're on our way to E-Mart for no reason. I need hangers. For one reason. That's why we're going. Well, something.